my babies. Oh no, my babies are clumsy. I arrange my babies. It's my babies. The babies. Come on, my babies. So my baby is crying. Like this sound, guys. Joke is mine. So let's read. Come on. Let's read, guys. English. May English. Means the result of an action. Example, involve. Wait, guys.
Oh! Sobrang dami.
I am too big. I am too big to climb and play. I want to buy things and have fun. I want some money. Can you give me some money? I am sorry, but I have no money. I have only leaves and apple. Take my apple, boy, and sell them in the city. Then you will have money and you will be happy. And so the boy climbed up the tree and gathered her apples and carried them away. And the tree was happy. I read this, guys. I read this. I read this, guys. Happy. But the boy cut down my trunk and made a bow, and the boy did, and the tree was happy. I'm done, guys. I'm done. So my baby is asleep. So let's sleep, guys. Hey, excuse me, my baby. Baby. Thank you for watching my video, guys. So I'm asleep. He's crying. Oh no, Mr. Earth cry. I can't sleep. Oh no. Oh no, Teddy Bear Blue cry. Oh no, Naruto cry. Cry, Naruto. Cry. No, that's sleep. I can't sleep, and my brother can't sleep. Wait, guys, my brother. Hey, don't do up the baby. Don't hurt the baby. So I can't sleep. Hey, brother. So guys, I'm Tagalog, but I'm speaking English.
Ba't ka nagalaro, Charmaine?
Bye guys.